What's up, people? Welcome to another episode. Gang Green. If you will, subscribe to the page, smash that like button for me. We're going to get in the topic today. I'm going to have to wake y'all up today because y'all be sleeping, man. Y'all be sleeping. We part of that 99% for a reason. That's because we let the higher powers distract us. I mean, we wrapped up in social media. Like, how many hours a day do you spend just scrolling through your social media? You like train, and I'm speaking for myself too, but I'm trying to break myself from that habit. I be having to fast from social media just because it's distracting me from what's really going on in the world today. And to be honest with you, it's the 1%ers. It's the rich people who they love the fact that we are addicted to social media and not paying attention to what they're doing. And that's exactly why the wealth gap is getting bigger and bigger, especially now. They you don't know how much money they got. All you know is that you struggle. Now, when them PPP loans came out, I knew it was something wrong with that. I knew that it was something going on. There's a law of power that talks about the smoke screen. Talk about how they build a smoke screen and before you know what's happening, it's already too late. It's one of the 48 laws of power. That PPP loan was meant to get you excited, made you think that the government was going to help you, was helping you. But all you did was spend that money up, and they knew that's what you was going to do. This system is designed for the rich to get rich and the poor, the ignorant people who don't know money, don't understand money, to stay poor. And the gap is wide. The PPP loan, y'all was getting that money, y'all was stealing the money, and y'all still wasn't investing it. I could see if y'all was stealing the money, but then investing it into an asset. That's the only way we'll be. That's the only way we'll get out of this rut. There's always going to be a 99%. But for everybody who's following this page, we can make it to the 1%. We need to start thinking like 1%ers. Even if we are 99%ers, let's start thinking like 1%ers, and we can slowly get up out of this ditch. But we got to stop being consumers. I was listening to Mr. Wonderful, and everybody hate Mr. Wonderful from Shark Tank. And he was saying that first million is the hardest to get. That first million, he said, you just got to stop buying shit that you don't need. All them vacations, all them nice, the cars and the house, that's what's going to keep us from, that's what's going to keep you from making that $1,000,000, that first million. Because you want to look rich and you want to enjoy the little bit of money that you are making. And ain't nothing wrong with that. Yeah, we do need to enjoy the fruits of our labor sometimes. But he said that first million is the hardest to get. So I want to talk to you today about the reverse market crash that's coming. Because it's coming. And they set it up with the PPP loan. They turned on that print machine. They start printing money. They start giving it to you. They already had it planned out. They already knew what they were going to do. And why you think we dealing with inflation right now? Print up that money, give it to them. They're going to just spend it right back with us. Inflation is going to go up. Interest rates going to go up. We're going to tighten it up on them. We're going to tighten the economy up on them and see how they react. Why you think they building a lot of rental properties? Like they building a lot of new construction, rental properties, even homes, neighborhoods, subdivisions. Them houses is for rent because they understand that they breaking down the middle class. They making you poor while they're getting richer. So when the interest rates do come down, that's what's going to happen. When the interest rates do come down, guess what? Prices are going to go up. So it's a reverse crash. It's not a crash where everything going to go down like 2008, where everything goes down and crashes. No, this is going to be a reverse where everything go up. You think the market is high now. You think housing is high now. Let's just speak about housing. Right now, homes are twice what they were 10 years ago, twice the price of what they were 10 years ago. It's just going to go up because the interest rate's going to come down. Now people are going to start rushing to the market to try to buy a home, but the prices is going to go up. Demand, think about it. So I'm trying to get you guys to prepare yourself. Watch the news sometime. If you are scrolling all day, you run across a news article, read it. Read. That's part of the problem. We don't want to read no more. We want social media to give us all of our information. And guess what? You're being hijacked. You're being manipulated. Pay attention to what's going on. Right now is the time to study the stock market. See what's on sale. See what stocks are on sale right now. What stocks are going to be part of the future. NVIDIA, Lilly is killing. The medical field is killing. You know tech is killing. Get in the game before it's too late. Now, if this information is helping you, hit that like button. Subscribe. If you know somebody that this information could help, share it with them. But first of all, I want you guys to pay attention to what's going on. Stop spending your money on unnecessary things. Stop balling out every weekend. You don't got to, man. Get knowledge. Start reading more books. Start watching certain YouTube channels that could teach you different things. But the goal is to invest. The goal is to have assets that make money, passive income. And with that being said, catch you next time. Gang Green.